So there are two ways to do this problem, and the first approach is what we're looking for is where the circle intersects the x-axis. So the condition here is that the y-coordinate at these two intersections is equal to 0. So all you can do is to set y to be equal to 0 in the equation of the circle, and then find the value of the x that would correspond to that. So that's probably the fastest way of doing this. This is 4. You subtract 4, 25. We end up with x plus 1 square equal to 25. Don't do the expansion here because it's already in a square form. This means x plus 1 is either equal to 5 or x plus 1 is equal to minus 5, because both 5 square and minus 5 square are 25. This will give you 4, and that's actually this point here. That one will give you minus 6, which is, it's again, notice it's not drawn to scale. So that's what they've already given to us. They're asking for the coordinates of the other point, which is choice B. So this is one approach. The second approach is just drawing it out graphically. You can just do it geometrically. And all the elements that I'll go over in this problem are important for other questions on the ACT as well. So first thing is the center here is minus 1, 2. You can kind of just draw it out roughly to scale. The radius will be square root of 29, so more than 5. So maybe the circle looks something like that. So again, it doesn't have to be pretty. That point is 4, 0. We're looking for the coordinate of that point. So if we connect, this is draw a perpendicular here, connect that. We know that's square root of 29. This distance here, that coordinate is minus 1, 0. So we know this is 5. And this is 2, because that's the y coordinate of the center. And you'll see that is a right triangle, and it will satisfy that 2 square plus 5 square is equal to square root of 29 square. You'll see this is 25. So that's 29, and that is indeed equal to 29. So we have the same thing on the other side, this other intersection. And you actually don't even have to do this, because you'll see that this distance has to be also 5. And you're starting from this point, which is minus 1, 0, which means the coordinate of that point is minus 6, 0. So either way, you'll also get the correct answer. So depending on your preference, this is more using geometry. And here we just kind of use the algebraic condition. Both approaches are equally fine. And the answer is choice B.